We've got a brand new 2026 motorhome to be showing off today, and it is an exciting one. It is a Wraith 32F on a Freightliner chassis. These chassis are fantastic for these motorhomes. They come with air brakes, air ride suspension, as well as driver and passenger air ride seats. As you can tell straight from the get-go, this is a beautiful, luxurious motorhome to be showing off. This 32F gives you this awesome decal package on the outside of this nice frost white and ice blue. You've got tons of storage both inside and out, and it is quite luxurious once you get to the inside of the trailer. But let's start on the exterior here. First of all, you've got loads of storage compartments throughout this trailer. I've only opened a couple of them here to show you, but first of all, you've got this nice TV here on the outside that you can enjoy underneath this almost full-length LED lit powered awning. Walking around the rear, this is going to be showing off some of these storage compartments here, and it is like you're in a proper tour bus driving like a rock star. You've got tons of storage here, nice boxy, unobstructed, so you can toss suitcases in here, camping chairs, anything you can imagine. It is going to nicely fit in here with little storage containers. All of these doors got great hinges on them where it's a pretty windy day today. They stay where they are to be, but they're easy enough to open and close. More storage here on this side. This particular unit as well comes with a nice fiberglass roof. You've got a ladder here that easily gives you access to the top. You've got heated mirrors for this Canadian climate, as well as solar power on the roof. At the rear here, you've got a hitch where you could tow loads of more goodies with you if you need to. Plenty of windows around this unit for nice lighting, and you've got a backup camera because maybe a 33-foot motorhome could be a little bit challenging to back up, but that backup camera makes it a whole lot easier. Walking around this side here, you've got access to your outdoor shower, some of your other shutoffs and control valves here as well. More storage, and just underneath this slide here on this side, you're going to have a nice large Cummins generator as well. Plenty of power is going to be with you in this unit. As I mentioned, these are on Freightliner chassis. It's a great, strong, durable chassis here you know you can rely on. And stepping on into the interior, this is where it's going to show off some of its luxury. It might be rugged and bold on the outside, but inside it is nice and modern. Let's start off with the kitchen here. First of all, nicer kitchen than you have in most homes. You've got these great, nice stone countertops, a deep stainless steel sink with a high-rise faucet with this hose attachment. You've got these inserts here which perfectly blend into the countertop. Not only is a nice aesthetic touch, but it's going to give you plenty of countertop space for the rest of your cooking needs. You've got a 3-burner stove top here, a nice traditional oven underneath, as well as a convection microwave. That means you've got loads of cooking opportunities and no excuses to be eating any bad meals unless you want to be. Opening this here, you've got a nice large electric fridge freezer combo. You've opened it this way, but this unit also comes with these kind of bifold style doors where you can have either side open up. Means if you have any lefties in the family, they're not hitting themselves in the face every time they want to open up the fridge. This front area here is a nice large cockpit. As I've mentioned, you've got air ride seats for both the driver and passenger for a nice smooth ride. You've got this great front dash here with this nice large display for your backup cameras. And stepping up above here, this is going to be one of your first sleeping options. Right now I've got this folded up and tucked away, so it's a little bit easier for me to get down and in, but you can definitely leave that down all the time. Once you're sitting in this cockpit area, you still have plenty of headroom space. You've got a ladder to get up to this area, which nicely collapses down. I've got it stowed up there for now. And you'll notice you've got 110 volt receptacles as well as USB 5 volt receptacles built into them, so you can charge small portable devices easily also. You've got a nice large TV here for entertainment, whether you're the person bunking up here or you want to flip this out and show it off to the rest of the guests. That is going to be your first sleeping area. You've got this great modern couch here. Small things they thought of, obviously building cup holders into the seats for travel is a great idea. And this first couch is also going to convert to a bed as well. It will be a proper bed, not a jackknifed sofa. So you lift this out, you pull this out, and all of this back area articulates out into a nice, large, comfy bed. Our third sleeping option in this motorhome is going to be this dinette area. Once again, you've got built-in cup holders. You've got 4 seat belts for your passengers. So you can have up to 6 people at once while traveling in this motorhome. And this is going to convert to your extra bed here as well. They make it super simple in these Wraiths. You've got a single little latch here to flip. This is all going to slowly go down here, and that's going to be our tabletop area where these cushions will come over and convert this to your third bed. You've got tons of storage, similar to the outside with all these deep, unobstructed, boxy storage compartments. You've got that above head here. If you're a person who has a big family that likes to bring everything along, or you just like being prepared, you have plenty of room in these Wraiths. You've got modular shelves set up in this kitchen area, as well as easy access to plumbing and more storage. You've got air conditioning in this unit, as well as ducted air, and there are plenty of these LED puck lights throughout to give you plenty of natural light. Walking to the rear here, this is where we got a couple more things to show off. First of all, you've got this glass shower door. Makes you feel like you're properly at home when you can have a proper shower. Something about having a shower after a long camping day, having this glass door, not an accordion plastic, is a nice touch to make this feel one step nicer than a traditional travel trailer or cheaper built motorhome. On this side here, you've got your washroom. You've got a double-sided medicine cabinet here for ample storage, stainless steel sink for easy cleaning, and you've got your toilet there as well. If you want to turn this to an ensuite, you've got a great pocket door here that will slide out, but if you're more of a larger family, you can leave that open for everyone else. Closing this door here, this is going to be your master bedroom in the rear. You've got a nice large bed here. You've got nice little reading lights on either side. If you're a night owl, you like to read or maybe slowly fall asleep. You've got storage above. This is going to be your second slide out for the unit. And on this side here, I did say there was plenty of storage on the inside of the trailer, and this wall can attest to that. You've got a great TV here on this side. Not only a TV, but that flips up for more storage. You're going to hear me say it a couple more times. More storage with your wardrobe closet. And one more time, more storage with these drawers. The Wraiths are the top of the line. They are very nice motorhomes that we have in stock here at Long Haul, and they show off this luxurious style that you can bring your whole family along to travel with. If you want to see everything else this motorhome has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.